Alright guys, you ready? Alright, Will, here we go. Stop at the ridge line, right? Alright, here we go. Going off that way. That way. Say hi to Mommy. Alright, now we're going down that way. Stopping at the shack. Whoa, under control. Whoa. Kate almost got crushed. You're doing good, honey. Look where you're going. You go up the hill. Stopping at the next ridge line. All right. All right. Keep going. Go, go. All right. Back down to the next ridge line. Whoa! Good job, Will. Stopping at the next ridge line, right? You okay, buddy? You okay? You get stuck in a in one of these ridges and you fall. It happens.
What?
Everybody falls. She's down here at the stopping.
Did you see me the snow picked up?
Yep. All right. Go down to the next ridge line and then we're in. Yes, all right, you stop. We'll stop where you're stopping. That's Kate's move, the spinorama. Whoa! All right, let's go. He didn't stop. Are we going down on the carpet? Whoa! Sorry about that. You good? There you go. You got it. Okay, we're going down to the magic carpet. All right. I'm going all the way down. No stopping. What? Is that fun, guys?
Yeah.
Kate, is that fun?
Yeah.
Will,
Yeah.
is that fun?
I didn't. I started once.